Alright, so this is an all-stock G20 330i. Obviously, this being a great daily and commuter car, the car is super quiet in here. There is some active sound when you drop the car into sport. You get a little bit of bass, but there really is no sound characteristics at all. The car has the factory downpipe, we have a middle resonator, and then we have the rear section. The rear section does come with valves, just like the F chassis do. But what we're going to do with this is make it a lot more dynamic between the valves open and the valves closed. So we'll give you some stock footage right now. This is such a wonderful, like, just normal car. And this, a lot of the times, is someone's only car. So what we're going to do and what we've designed for Valvetronic is we want whoever is going to buy this car to have one exhaust solution. They can combine it with free flow components. They can do a res delete. They can do other deletes if they so choose. But allow the Valvetronic system to always be nice and quiet when you click those valves closed so that you always have the perfect flexibility. So I'm going to show you the stock footage now. And as you can hear in here, I'm in sport. I'll put us back in comfort. It's so quiet in here, which is very enjoyable. We're going to keep that characteristic, but then when we open up the valves with the new Valvetronic system we're going to put on here in a little bit, it's going to be a lot more rowdy and a lot more enjoyable. Alright guys, so we're in the G20 now, and it has the Valvetronic system on it. We're in comfort mode, and as per the Valvetronic mission, it sounds exactly the same in here with the valves closed. That's our MO with these things. We don't want it to be overly aggressive when the valves are closed. That means an unpleasant experience for the cabin. Passengers, we don't like drone, we don't like unwanted frequencies. All we want is great sound when we drop the car into sport mode. And indeed, this thing delivers quite more than I would have expected, actually. You hear some overrun cracks. It's like someone's tapping you on the head with a hammer. It's a nice OEM plus type sound. This car obviously is all stock. Everything is stock except for the rear back box section. You get some nice gearbox farts when you change, which is very enjoyable. So behind me we have two G20 330i's. They may look very similar, but they have quite different exhaust setups. This car has factory downpipe, factory midsection, and the Valvetronic Design's G chassis axle back. On the right here we have a fully stock G20. This car has the full stock exhaust, and we're going to give you guys the sound comparison from stock to the Valvetronic Design's rear section.